Hello everyone. For those of you watching this channel for the first time, I want to say that here you can find a lot of information about binoculars, how to choose them, how to take them apart, and how to repair them yourself at home. In front of you are three average Japanese, or more generally Asian, binoculars, of which a huge number were produced in the 1980s and 1990s. I am quite often asked about the following common problem. Someone has a high-quality pair of binoculars, looks through them, and sees a fairly clear and sharp image at a very long distance. But when they turn the focus wheel to look at an object that is about 20 to 30 meters away, the image becomes blurry and cannot be brought into focus, meaning it lacks sharpness. And sometimes it's the exact opposite. You can look at an object that's quite close, about 50 meters away, and it's fairly sharp. But when you refocus the binoculars for a distant object, you can't achieve a clear image. That is, if you look at an object that's a kilometer or two away, or even at infinity, for example, if you're looking at the moon through binoculars, you simply can't get the image to be sharp. Mostly, such problems occur with old binoculars, because over time, fungus and dirt appear inside the binoculars. Some people try to take them apart, clean them, or just blow them out with simple air and then put them back together, but something doesn't work out, and the binoculars end up not being assembled correctly. In such cases, the focusing wheel starts to work incorrectly. For example, let's take a look at this binocular. Don't pay attention to the brand, just watch how the focusing wheel works here. As I rotate this adjustment knob, you will see the eyepieces begin to move, from their point of closest proximity to the internal prisms, and then they gradually shift further away, until they reach the absolute maximum possible distance. These binoculars are designed to focus exceptionally well on objects that are located quite close to you, and on those that are very far away, reaching all the way out, you could say, to infinity. For example, let's take this binoculars. As you can see, the eyepieces move up normally, but when moving down, they don't reach the prisms. When I am using these specific binoculars, I simply cannot seem to get a perfectly clear or sharp image of any objects that are located 500 or even 1,000 meters away from me. Well, to put it quite simply and in short, I find that I actually can't look at the moon at all with these particular binoculars. You see, with these binoculars, it is exactly the opposite of what you would expect. I can look very far into the distance with them without any trouble, but when it comes to focusing on an object that is only about 100 meters away, or even just 50 meters, it simply doesn't work. This is because I desperately want to turn this adjustment wheel so the eyepieces can move up about 2 more millimeters. But unfortunately, the wheel just stops completely and it won't turn any further no matter how hard I try. In general, there isn't really a set rule for how to solve this problem. I am going to carefully demonstrate for you the complete step-by-step process using these specific binoculars as a clear example. And then you will likely need to fix your own binoculars through a series of different trial and error techniques and adjustments. In most cases, we first need to slowly rotate and unscrew the protective cover cap. Next, right here, we have a very large, prominent adjustment screw located right here in the center like this. We must carefully unscrew it to proceed further with the repair. Once you look inside, there is one more additional screw. In most cases, it requires a screwdriver like this. Sometimes there's a lot of grease inside here, and when you look inside, you can't see it. However, it is important for you to be aware that it is located right there, so you can simply go ahead and unscrew it. There is no need to remove it from the inside. Next, carefully rotate the adjustment wheel until you can completely detach the eyepieces from the assembly. Once you have successfully managed to take out both of the eyepieces, please ensure that you set them aside in a safe location. These specific binoculars were experiencing a technical issue where the internal eyepieces were failing to reach the prisms correctly. So to fix this, you will need to carefully rotate this adjustment wheel just a little bit further than usual. In my case, I performed approximately 3 complete rotations of the wheel. And after that, I was able to safely insert the eyepieces back into their original position. The main thing is, don't worry, during all these manipulations, the binoculars collimation shouldn't get knocked out of alignment. It is already showing some slight improvement, but it is still not exactly meeting the specific standards that I would like it to be. Please carefully unscrew it once again, and turn this adjustment wheel exactly 2 more complete full rotations. And now, carefully screw the eyepieces back into their original positions once again. There is currently about, well, just a single millimeter of space left before the eyepieces actually touch the surface of the prism covers. I think that's enough. Now all that's left is to look through these binoculars at objects that are nearby and those that are very far away. Or even better, for example, at the moon or at stars. And when the image sharpness is just right for you, you can screw all these screws and covers back in place. You'll need to do the same thing with this binocular as well, only here it's somewhat the opposite. You'll need to make sure that this focusing wheel is slightly unscrewed, meaning it's positioned a bit higher. I truly hope that this short, helpful video will assist you in successfully repairing your own binoculars at home. And if you found this useful, please don't forget to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing for more content, and leaving a nice, thoughtful comment down below. And until we meet again.